So, lining up, going inside St. Peter's Basilica. We are going inside St. Peter's Basilica. Join me in visiting the tomb of St. Peter, although pictures are not allowed in the tomb, but we will try to find the tomb of St. John Paul II and Pope Benedict XVI and the other popes. So this is St. Peter's Basilica, the biggest church in the world. And rightly so, because this is the mother church of all churches. St. Peter's, because this is where St. Peter was buried. He was martyred for the faith, crucified like his master Jesus Christ, but did not want to be crucified the same way. So he requested his persecutors to crucify him in a different way. Papasok na po tayo sa St. Peter's Basilica. Praise be Jesus Christ. We are inside St. Peter's Basilica, considered to be the biggest church in the world. And rightly so, because this is the seat of Christianity, of Catholicism. Sa loob ng simbahang ito matatagpuan ng tomb or libingan ni St. Peter. Dito rin po inilibing si St. John Paul II, si Pope Benedict XVI, and so many other popes. And it is so massive. If you are here inside, you will be awed by the immensity, the enormous, gigantic church that this is. But of course, it's not just about the building. The church is not just about building. It's really more about the faith. And we know that this is also the church of Pope Francis, being the successor of St. Peter. Let's look around. I'll bring you with me as I go around St. Peter's Basilica. First thing we find to the right side of the Basilica is the masterpiece of Michelangelo, the Pietà. Michelangelo, of course, was a sculptor and an artist. made of pure marble. Again, this is not just about the marble or the statue. It's really more about the figure, the image of the Blessed Mother holding her son Jesus. Pieta, ang inang nagdadalamhati sa pagkamatay ng kanyang anak. I pray for all of you mothers who are suffering because of the death of your children. I remember you in my prayer right now. Kayo mga ina ng tahanan na nagdurusa dahil sa dami ng problema sa pamilya, katulad ni Maria. Kalungin ninyo si Jesus. Put Jesus in your love and let Jesus heal you. In spite of the death, the failure, the pain, suffering that you go through, let Mary of the Pietà give you strength. Our next stop inside St. Peter's Basilica is the tomb of St. John Paul II. He is our beloved Pope who went to the Philippines in 1995. Si St. John Paul II din ay malapit sa mga kabataan. So, before St. John Paul, I would like to pray for you young people that you may, like St. John Paul, be in love with Jesus. Si St. John Paul hanggang sa dulo, hanggang sa kanyang pagtanda, siya ay nagbibigay buhay, naglilingkod. So I pray also for the elderly that we may be faithful to Jesus till the end. Until our final breath, we will serve the Lord like St. John Paul II. This is also called the Chapel of St. Sebastian, a martyr of the Church. St. John Paul, I pray for the young people that they may be faithful to you. I pray for the elderly that, like you, they will remain in you and stay with you in spite of the sickness and the pain and suffering. Help us all to be like St. John Paul, faithful and loyal to serving you, God, till the end. We are inside St. Peter's Basilica. The biggest church in the world. Massive, just pure massive.